Are there alternatives to dental implants? If you are looking to replace missing teeth, dental implants are typically considered to be the gold norm. They offer a lasting solution that is aesthetically and physically similar to natural teeth. They can be expensive, and they may not be the ideal choice for every person. If you're searching alternatives to implants for your teeth, there are many possibilities to look at. Dental bridges. An alternative to dental implants is to use dental bridges. Dental bridges are the prosthetic tooth that can be designed to substitute one or more teeth that are missing. The bridge is bonded to adjacent teeth, serving as anchors to the dental implants. Dental bridges are a cost-effective option than dental implants, which is suitable for patients that are unable to have surgery to implant. Dentures. Dentures offer a different option for dental implants. Dental prosthetics are removable devices that substitute missing teeth. They are available in two forms. They are partial, which are used to replace the missing teeth of a couple or a few missing teeth, and full dentures, which substitute all teeth that are located in the lower jaw or the upper one. Dentures are a less expensive alternative to implants. They could be an ideal option when patients have suffered multiple tooth loss. Dental crowns. Dental crowns offer another option for dental implants to replace the missing teeth of a single patient. Dental crowns are the cap which is put over an injured or decayed tooth to restore its form, dimensions, appearance, and functionality. In certain situations, the dental crown could be used to fill in an absent tooth by attaching it to nearby teeth. Dental crowns can be a more cost-effective option than implants and could be an excellent option for patients that aren't candidates to receive implants. Implant-supported dentures. Implant-supported dental dentures are a hybrid option that offers the security of dental implants along with affordable dentures. It involves putting dental implants inside the jawbone, which act as anchors for the removable denture. Implant-supported dental dentures are more stable and safety than traditional dentures. They're a great choice for patients looking to reap the advantages of dental implants, but not the cost. Mini implants. Mini implants offer a less invasive, more minimally invasive substitute for conventional dental implants. They can be used to strengthen dentures or to replace missing teeth where there is a shortage of spaces or low bones with a low density. Mini implants are a cost-effective option than traditional implants and could be an excellent option for patients that aren't candidates for conventional implants. There are many options for dental implants that can replace missing teeth. Dentures, dental bridges, dental dentures that are implant-supported, or mini implants, are a few viable options to provide more cost-effective solutions for those who aren't in a position to undergo surgical procedures to replace implant surgery. You should consult with your dentist regarding which option is best for your needs as well as budget. Be aware that there are other alternatives to dental implants which could help you attain the perfect and beautiful smile.